So that's the rule associated with you manufacture an SBR. You have to file with the ATF within 24 hours or something like that according to that regulation. You can check it out. And again, none of these handguns would have done that because they are handguns. They are not rifles. Now let's go on and just realize at the end of the day, because of what I just said, all of these handguns are handguns, and everyone understood these to be handguns, so there are tremendous reliance interests on everyone. Not to mention, of course, the obvious points that the ATF always said these were handguns and pistols, and they issued letters to that effect. You all have seen those. We talk about that in other videos. So these are handguns. Now, because they're handguns, okay, they are fully protected by the Second Amendment. The U.S. Supreme Court decision in Heller versus the District of Columbia 2008 specifically said that handguns are protected arms. They're obviously commonly used by Americans for lawful purposes, including for self-defense, and as a consequence, they could not be banned. They cannot be banned because they are protected arms under the Second Amendment's right to keep